When Mosamseleko needed someone to step up and be a mom to Umpilenhle, Khumalo stood right up and she cared. That shows that you don't need to be blood for you to guide someone fully. We know that Mpilenhle, people often get misled about Mpilenhle Mseleko, painting her as if she's unlikable okanye uyazitshela, but the truth is the opposite. Mpilenhle is such a sweet, genuine soul with a beautiful heart. Those who take time to know her see the love, respect, and kindness she carries. Never judge someone based on gossip. Umpilenhle uyathandeka futhi unenhliziyo enhle. Just like her mom, she is beautiful with a beautiful heart. Just like the woman who raised her. I guess she did a wonderful job raising Umpilenhle Mseleko. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for all your support.